Why vocational training? Vocational training in Germany is a earn and learn mode of learning. You earn and you learn. Why choose Germany? Germany is known for its robust vocational training system, which offers hands-on experience, blends of hands-on experience and academic learning. So it's a perfect place to develop skills in a practical settings, and this opens doors to multitude of career opportunities. Welcome today to my channel. By watching this video, you are not just benefiting yourself, but you are becoming a platform of information and a beacon of knowledge to your friends, families, and community around you. So, in today's video, I'll be discussing more career options when it comes to electrical engineering vocational training in Germany. So I encourage you to watch the video to the end because more career options are still coming. This vocational training career option that you can see, that you are watching right now, you can find in the playlist Electrical Engineering Ausbildung in Germany. This is a continuation video and it's about Berufe in the Informations- und Kommunikationstechnik. That is professions in information and communication technology. So if you are interested in electrical engineering and you're interested in the area of information and communication technology, then I encourage you to watch this video to the end. There are two career options that I'll be discussing, and as like I said, it's in the playlist Electrical Engineering Hospital in Germany that you can find and you can find a lot of other career options in different playlists in my channel. So as the picture beside is showing, I'll be discussing the electrotechnische assistant. That is electrical engineering assistant. The duration is 2 years. If you want to go into this, it is 2 years, and it's a Berufsfachschule. It's a vocational school occupation. Do you need a certificate? Yes. Apart from the German language, which I'll always say is very important. If you have started your German language, give yourself a big thumbs up. If you have finished, a big pat at the back. You've done very well. And if you have not, what are you still waiting for? To get more options of vocational training, it's important to learn your German language. So what do you do? Apart from your German language, I mean to say, you need your Mittelbildungsabschluss. That is your Mittelbildungsabschluss, your high school living certificate. Your high school living certificate, that's your Mittelbildungsabschluss. It's very important. Without this, anything lower than this, you are not accepted into this career training. Electrical engineering assistants, what do? They develop solutions for electrical and electronic problems. So there's a combination of, because it's communication and technology, electrical and electronic problems, they develop solutions for it. They participate in the development of studies, they check prototypes, they check microprocessors, control devices, they work out details and prepare sketches and designs. They prepare the designs like circuit diagrams, they calculate the performance of each component or circuit, and they test these components, how they are working, they check the measurements, and they make sure that they eliminate interference from devices. They make sure that devices adapt with other systems, they collaborate and offer offers for technical systems. They make sure that electrical components or electrical systems are being maintained, and they monitor the technical performance. For example, monitoring the events log, how the performance is with the measurement of the interference and whatever they are measuring. So where do they find employment? If you want to become an electrical engineering assistant, the vocational training, you can find it when you finish the vocational training, you can find the employment in companies that are into electricals. That is the electrical industry. You find employment in the electrical engineering departments of various sectors of different companies. Any company that is into electrical or department of companies that need electrical systems, you find employment there. You can also find employment in offices that are into technical planning, electrical technical planning. That is where you can find employment as well. Let's not forget the duration is 2 years and it's a Berufsfachschule. It's a vocational school occupation. We've come to the end of this first career. The second career is still in this video, so I encourage you to watch the second part of the video. So I'll see you there. Welcome to the second part of the video. This is the second career option, and that is a Fertigungsmechanikerin, that is production mechanic. If you're interested in production, electricals as in production mechanic, then this is a career option you would want to look into. The duration is 3 years and it's an anerkannte Ausbildung. It is a recognized training. It is a recognized training and it is 3 years. Do you need your certificate? You need your university qualification entrance certificate, your high school leaving certificate, as your Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, or the Realschulabschluss, any certificates equivalent or higher, definitely. And apart from that, your German language, which I'll always say, it's very important for you to understand what you are being taught. So it's important for you to do your German language. So description. Production mechanics, they assemble various products such as household appliances, motor vehicles, medical devices based on technical drawings. They assemble plans together. This is the plan, this is the technical drawing, this is where we want this to be produced, and this is the end part, this is the steps of the production. They make sure that these devices are being assembled together. They join individual parts or pre-assembly assemblies to create machines. So they create the machines by screwing, they solder, they glue, they assemble the necessary materials, they operating resources, they make sure that supplies are available as well, and they install and fasten electrical cables to make sure that the machine is running. They ensure that the products that is being assembled functions properly and the quality of the guidelines is being measured, it's being followed. The quality of the guidelines of the safety measures is being controlled and is being measured. Maintenance and repair tasks they do as well. They maintain any machine they've coupled or they've assembled or reassembled. They make sure that the machines are being maintained, and if there is any malfunction, they make sure that they repair these machines. They continue to make sure that there is increase. If you have a machine that is into production, they make sure that the continuous work improvement is being done and the processes of each section of the machines is in order. So where do you find employment if you are a production mechanic? As the picture beside me is showing, let's not forget it's still in the area of electrical engineering. They make sure that the electrical aspects of these machines are in order. Where do they find employment? They find employment in industrial series production. The industrial series production, in industrial company productions that are into metal, electrical, or automotive industries. Automotive industries because that is metal and electrical connections, maybe cables in the cars, things like that. So they find employment there. So it's not just when it comes to machineries only. When it comes to the automotive aspect, the electrical aspect, the metal production companies, they find employment there. So if you're interested in this vocational training, I encourage you to look into this. Yeah, more career options are still coming. So we have come to the end of the video. If my video has helped you, help someone else by sharing, and I'll see you in my next video. If you have not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Because we have more exciting careers options that we are still going to upload. So I encourage you, turn on your notification bell so that when I drop this video, we reach amazing people like you. And don't give up on your careers. If you have not started learning your German language, I encourage you to start. And if you have, give yourself a big thumbs up. And if you have finished, a big pat at the back. I'll see you in my next video. Don't give up on careers because only you can stop you.